What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. And guys, I got a brand new 2020 best new digital card marketing way to get clients. So stay tuned, make sure you check out the whole video. Let's get it. All right, guys, so in this video, I wanted to bring you guys something I just found. I think it's super dope. And I think a lot of you guys, one of the main questions I get is, what's the best way to gain clients as far as how to get your name out there, things like that. And I came across this and I thought this is the perfect thing. And I wanted to tell you guys, I just got one for myself a couple weeks ago. I'm super pleased with it. I think it's super cool and people are definitely impressed. And that's one of the things, guys, we talk about having these fancy tools and having things like that give people the confidence that you must know what you're doing because of the way you present yourself and the things you have. So this is one of those cool things. All right, guys, so the website is called Popple. It's popple.co. And guys, what it is, this is the Popple right here. It peels off of this sticker. I can't show you guys. I was looking for my phone. It's on the back of my phone while I'm recording, but I have some clips to show you guys how it works. But anyways, I'll explain it to you guys and then I'll show you guys how it works. So you're gonna peel this off. You're gonna stick it on the back of your phone case. Then you're gonna download the Popple app. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You guys can go in and edit all the links. You guys can add your Instagram, your Snapchat, your Facebook, shop address, shop website, booking website. I have my Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App, all of that on there. Then guys, you're gonna have multiple options. So basically I can set my Popple to either show one of those options, or I can send you to my homepage, my Popple page, and it will have all the links on there. So a couple different ways you can use it. So say you're out and about, you run into somebody, you want to give them your Instagram. So you're telling them you're a barber, you want to show them your Instagram, you go to your app, you select direct and make sure Instagram's the first one. And when you touch this to the back of their phone, it's going to open a link that goes straight to your Instagram. Like I said, the other way, you guys can do any of those links. So if somebody needs to Venmo you, somebody needs to Cash App you, you set Cash App as your link, you touch it to their phone and Cash App comes up or Venmo comes up. Also, guys, like I said, you can send all your links. So say you just run into somebody, you just want to give them your info. Maybe they need your website, maybe they want to book, maybe they want to check out your Instagram. You guys can link your whole page. So again, you guys will just tap this to the back of their phone and it will bring all your links up and then they can go from there. They can save that info. They can go pay you or book an appointment or check out your Instagram. I use it, you run into somebody, say you're at the gas station, you bump into somebody, hey, are you a barber? Yeah, well, how do I book with you? Put your booking app in on your side of the app, touch it to the back of their phone, and it's gonna go straight to it. So I've been using this frequently. I think it's super cool. Again, guys, a business card is the old school way. You hand them a business card. Hopefully they read it. They know who you are and where you're at. Probably gonna throw it away or lose it. You hope that they come. But like I said, this is, I think, something that's really cool and impressive to potential clients that, they're loosely talking about coming in, making an appointment. You say, here, check this out, I got you. Tap their phone with it, it comes up, now they can book right then and there. So super cool idea, guys. Again, I get a lot of questions about how to gain clientele. This isn't necessarily a tool or a trick to gain clientele, but it's definitely a way to share your information and let people know how to book or how to pay or any of those options, like I said. So anyways, guys, head over, popple.co. I went over there, guys, I grabbed me a couple. I'm gonna use one on my phone. I'm actually gonna put one at my station. So if somebody needs to pay me, I can just tell them to tap their phone to it. And when they touch their phone to it, it will go to my different apps that you can pay me on. So anyways, guys, head over to popple.co. There is a discount code, Seancutshair discount code. You guys will get 20% off. Basically, if you buy one, that'll get you free shipping. And if you buy two, it's gonna go up from there. So head over, popple.co. Again, guys, I'm not sponsored by any of these guys, any of these videos I'm doing. I'm just bringing you guys some of the things that help me have good success and some of the things I find out that I think would be awesome for you guys to try out. So anyways, head over, popple.co. Grab you a couple, discount code Seancutshair, and let me know if you guys get them and how you like them. I hope this is helpful, guys. Again, I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to gain clients and have everything and do it in the easiest way possible. So I think that this is super cool and something that can help. They also even do custom ones if you guys are interested. So I thought about getting some Clipper logo ones made. You guys leave me a comment if you think that'd be cool. But anyway, guys, I hope this video helps. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys next time.